In the earlier video, we just saw how the local test drive is conducted by the sales consultant. Now we will see how an advanced car demonstration takes place at the Škoda dealership. In the basic car demonstration, we expect our sales consultant to take the customer through the simply clever features of the car and resolve the queries raised by the customer. In the advanced car demonstration, our sales consultant should follow the E2I technique, that is, the exterior, the engine and the interior. Wherein the sales consultant must, firstly, talk about the front side and the rear profile of the car exteriors, secondly, talk about the engine highlights under the bonnet, and lastly, talk about all the features inside the car. Now let's see how an advanced demonstration is delivered. The exteriors are divided into three parts: the front, the side and the rear. In the front position, the sales consultant should cover features like clear lens headlamps, crumple zones, aerodynamics. In the side position, the sales consultant should cover features like the side impact beams, body-colored side mirrors and the keyless entry. In the rear position, the sales consultant should cover features like tail lamps, rear parking sensors and boot space. In the engine, the sales consultant should highlight facts like engine technology, performance, warranty, etc. The interiors are divided into two parts: the driver side and the passenger side. On the driver's side, the sales consultant should cover features like steering, driver's seat, AC and instrument cluster. On the passenger side, the sales consultant should cover features like seat belts, glove compartment, rear split seats, reading lamps, etc. In the previous stage, we saw how our sales consultant delivered a basic demonstration to Mr. Kumar, followed by a local test drive. Now let's see how our sales consultant gives the customer an advanced demonstration of the car with his expert insights.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir. Now, as agreed, let me give you an advanced demonstration of the Rapid.
Sure.
So just give me 2 minutes, I'll be back.
Sure.
Sir, shall we proceed?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Sir, as you've already seen during the test drive, the Rapid is by far the most beautifully designed sedan in its segment. So as a tribute to Škoda's rich Czech heritage, the Rapid incorporates the brand's trademark crystalline design language. So the quartz-cut projector headlights light up every inch of the road with meticulous precision.
Okay.
It also has chrome eyelash effect and dual shadow LED day running lights. Sir, when you look at the side profile, you'll notice the continuity of the crystalline design language in the side profile as well.
Yeah, I can judge that from these body lines, yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, the dual toe alloy wheels of the car complement the new design language perfectly.
Okay.
During the test drive, you must have observed the high speed stability of the car
Yeah.
thanks to these 16-inch alloy wheels.
Oh, okay.
The chrome beneath these door handles give you that rich, luxurious metallic finish every time you enter the car.
Okay.
Sir, the strong shoulder line meets the distinctive new Škoda C-shaped smoke tail lights, thus ensuring a strong appearance.
I must say these tail lights look really good.
Yes, sir. With all these amazing design elements, Rapid is sure to grab some attention on the road.
I'm sure it will.
Mr. Kumar, let me now tell you the most interesting part about the Rapid, its engine.
Sure.
Just a minute, sir. Mr. Kumar, you will find that the new Škoda Rapid comes with a generous heart. You said earlier that you're planning to go for diesel.
Yeah.
The new Rapid comes with a 1.5 litre TDI diesel engine which literally brings it to life. You must have experienced it during the test drive.
Oh yeah, I did feel that it was very powerful.
It is optimized to deliver performance while still leading in fuel efficiency.
Okay.
It churns a power of 110 PS and 250 Nm of torque.
Okay.
Sir, it is powerful yet efficient. Besides this, you'll also get a warranty of 4 years or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever comes earlier.
Okay.
So I'm sure you'll agree with me that the Rapid is a very comfortable car and is packed with many high-tech features. Let me show what it has to offer for you. Let's go check out the interior, sir.
Sure.
Sir, I already spoke about the tilt and telescopic steering during the test drive. We also experienced the central infotainment system during the test drive itself. Sir, this time allow me to sync your device with the infotainment system.
Sure. Let's do that.
So let's play some of your favorite music from your phone itself. Sir, why don't you play something from your phone?
Sure. Yeah. Let's listen to this one. That's my favorite band.
Oh, I love this song, sir. Seems like you're a fan of the 80s rock.
Absolutely.
You can also make and take calls, sir.
I'm impressed with the sound quality, man. It's nice clarity and bass. I like it.
Thank you, sir. Skoda really takes the quality of its car very seriously.
Absolutely.
Sir, now I'd request you to sit on the rear seat of the car to experience how comfortable it is.
Sure.
Sir, Rapid's rear seat is ergonomically designed to give you the perfect sitting position and comfortable ride experience. Also, sir, the rear side cabin is spacious enough to accommodate 3 people.
This is perfect. Great fabric, right amount of cushioning and excellent legroom. This is very comfortable, I must say.
Glad you liked it, sir. Sir, you mentioned that you're looking for a safe car with high build quality.
Absolutely.
So last time I told you that Rapid comes with 4 airbags, ABS and ESC.
Okay.
It also comes with a hill hold control function that prevents your car from moving backwards for a few seconds when on a downhill.
Oh. I must say I felt very uncomfortable using clutch while driving on an inclined road. So that's a big feature for me.
Right, sir. Happy to hear that. Let's proceed towards the discussion table.
Sure.
Please.
Well, you just saw how effortlessly Sameer demonstrated the Rapid to Mr. Kumar. By now, he must have fallen in love with the car. Your performance would be judged by the customer satisfaction survey, which consists of how satisfied are you with the dealership with regard to the following aspects. A. Explanation of the car's characteristics during the sales discussions. B. Presentation of the vehicle in the sales discussion. This will help the customer to understand the car in a better way, as all the characteristics and features would be explained in detail. Before moving ahead, let's quickly look at the few key must-dos for this process. Number 1. Sometimes the customer will sit in the car without looking at the exterior or the engine. In such a case, start from the I, the interior, but try to complete the 2 E's, the engine and the exterior, during the conversation. Number 2. Never ever lean on the car. Number 3. Do not talk about the competition product unless the customer initiates the discussion. Number 4. First convince for a product and then for services like finance, support, insurance, trade-in, maintenance packages, RSA, etc.